All right, guys, it's Paul Singh, the market speculator at bullsonwallstreet.com. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been going over my position reviews with YouTube followers and Twitter followers. Today, we took some exits, so I thought I'd review some of those since you guys have already watched the entries in these positions. Today, Trade Report members were alerted to our exits in Twitter. We'd entered back here around 46 or 47, don't remember the exact number there. We entered here a little above 51. Now, my initial target was up here around 55. And even though Twitter is actually acting really good today, with the possibility of a market pullback here, who knows if we really start to pull back, that would probably take Twitter back with it. So I decided to lighten up on some of my positions today. So got exited Twitter around 51, and this was earnings breakout pullback entry. And we rode this nice move up here. Good for a really nice gain. Brazil here, we had entered around 480, and my target was between 550 and 6. Brazil was really beaten down here, due for a bounce, and we've been looking at a few of the other BRIC countries and emerging market ETFs, and it just felt like a good time for it to bounce. We used the triple leverage ETF, entered at 484, exited at 560 for a 16% gain. I think on my account it was about $1,900, so a nice game there. And then those were my two wins today. And the loss was LinkedIn, got stopped out here, played the 50-day moving average, and exited here at about 246. It was a little smaller position size, so we could give it a little more room in case there was some stop gunning going on. And now this is also an earnings breakout similar to Twitter. The setup is still there. Oftentimes these earnings breakouts with these big gaps will, if not fill the gap, will go into the gap and then move up, and it's still a healthy stock ready for that up move. So we're going to keep watching it. This was the first stab at it, took a small loss. Whereas the win in BRZU was about $1,900. The loss here in LinkedIn was around $700. So a good 2-to-1, 3-to-1 ratio there. So again, we're going to keep watching this one. Maybe if it remounts the 50-day moving average, gets back in this range, we'll play it again and try to get to the top of the range there. So those were my three exits today. I actually did enter X today, playing that 50-day moving average. But here our focus is on the actual exits for the trades. Now, I updated my first quarter results here, and I'll go more into depth with this later, especially with the Trade Report members. But we ended up making 38 trades, 23 wins, 15 losses, a 60% win rate, and $10,000 gain on a $100,000 account, $10,500. But when we were to minus the commissions, and my commissions are about, depending on the trade, between $2 and $4 per trade. And so we'll say 10,000, 10% gain, 38 trades first quarter, so pretty good. A couple of do-overs that I'd like. I never regret a trade if I manage the risk properly. There were a couple here that got away, Nugget and the biotech short here, but other than that, really good. Exactly what I want here. More big wins, smaller losses, exactly how I want to be trading. So hopefully this continues into the second quarter, which I expect it will. So that's the trade review. I will see you next time.